We are changing the doorknobs on a bunch of our different furniture around our apartment, and I just love these. They are so cute, and I also love how bright and vibrant the colors are here. They also come with a set of screws of varying sizes here. So there are 2 different sizes, long or short, and it comes with enough for all of the doorknobs that you get. You get 4 in one pack here. These are so easy to install and they work out really well. We've already attached some to other furniture that we have. I'm gonna show you how my husband does it. It's so incredibly easy and I highly recommend these. I did get these in exchange for my honest review and there it is.